All right, guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mind. Today we're having a big update, so let's just dive right in. Okay, we've been talking about all the stuff that have been going on here, so we're just going to do a really quick recap and we're going to talk about this really quickly. Okay, so you can see right here that this is our top at 155 days from our 15,500 bottom. We also want to note the uh, the price level. Let's go take a look at that. So these moves right now. Oh, sorry, I'm taking it from the top. I need to take it from the bottom. 15,500. Okay, so back up to this 31,000. It went up 100%. Okay, so these are our first measuring sticks. Okay, so let's just go from here now, right? And let's take our 155 days. Geez, I wonder where that's going to take us to. Bet you it's going to be a tumultuous point. Of course it is. Look, guys, it's right here, right? 155 days. Where are we? We're back at our old tops. What happens? Volatility. What happens after we get our 155-day top? Volatility. Okay, let's just move ahead now. Let's just come right up to here. Let's go to our 11th. Oh, here comes this more sticky stuff. No, we don't want that. And we're looking at our 155 days. So 155 days, guys, is it's our bloody Valentine Day. And every time we've done these 155-day counts, we experience these major pullbacks, you know? So is it possible that we are, in fact, at a point where we're about to experience a pullback? Okay, well, that's interesting. Let's just go see if we're up 100% from our bottom, right? I mean, this is what we're talking about, right? Where are we? Are we up 100%? Where's 100%, guys? Where's 100%? Right? Are you guys seeing this? All right, we're at our 100% level. Do you guys think that it's possible and likely that this reoccurring count from here to here and in percentage level? Now, I've just shown you this, right? Well, let's go take a look at this percentage level. I mean, I don't think it went up 100%, but it's possible. It's probably 60 some odd percent, 63, I'll bet you. Sure it is. There it is. Sitting at 63%. So 63 and 100% are our models right now. And as you can see right now, from our 24.8 here, we went up 63%. Let's just do that. I think it's really important that we talk about this stuff. There you go. This is your 63% right here. This is right in this area, right here. So that's important. You know, this is now indicating it's possibly a building block area. Well, why do I say that? Well, because when we moved up here from this bottom here to our building block top at 63%, we can expect somewhat of the same thing here, right? We got a building block here at this 63% level. This is really important. We're watching this for a major rollover. And here's that's right, our trusty ring. And every time we get over these rings, right, we got a great big push. So it looks like right now, it's certainly looking like we could get a positive move through and a push up. And our next move would be 52. Let's just go consult our square. Okay, guys? I'm going to just move this to the side, move this over, and then we can talk about this a little. Okay, we'll make this a little bigger too. So guys, we're talking about this. This is our 63% level right here, our building block level. This is this 40,000. And we've been talking about that. That's our 40 right there. It's in line with our 69. If we do not get above 49, it's possible and likely that we come back to 37. It's 180 degrees. And 37 is right here. It's perfectly in line with our 23, 21% level. So if we were to hold these levels like we're doing here, this would indicate that we would be moving up. And our next move up on our square is 53. So we would be talking about a level right here. So we would have to continue to move up and touch this level at 53 for this market to make its next sequence. Are we doing that? It's looking an awful lot like that with our 155-day count coming in here tomorrow. It's looking like, a lot of volatility. So further to that, what could we see further that? Well, Mr. Gann said never buy an asset when it's at its old top. Wait for it to break through and sit on it. If it doesn't sit on it and it sits higher, it's indicative that it is moving up and is going to go much higher, and you should pay attention to that. So we're inside this really violent channel here where we've had this terrific move up from our cycle low. We've been calling this, right? This is our 22-month low. Here on Beautiful Mind, I've been nailing it. Just lately, this has gone against my forecast for the last couple of weeks. Am I worried about it? No, not really. I make forecasts so that I have a strategy over stress. Do I feel that it's possible and likely we could move up? Sure, we could. We could certainly move up. It could invalidate a part of my forecast right now, and we could certainly move up, make our 53 and our 60, and right, these 57, 60, our old top here, and our all-time high at 69. I mean, we get up to this 53 and don't show any weakness and get above this. I mean, it's 69. But I don't feel that we're going to do that. I think that all the energy got sucked out of this market when these ETFs and BlackRock, they swallowed all this, right? And they got all your money, and no one bought Bitcoin but BlackRock, Vanguard. That's right, all these douchebags. So, are we about to have a BlackRock Bitcoin rally all the way up? Well, it's possible and likely, and my forecasts are calling for a revisit of this area. I mean, you haven't bought my forecast, so I can't give away the time sensitive material. So, that being said, we're watching really carefully around this. Well, probably have a major pullback around this May, and you know, somewhere around this August, it probably could be a little crazy. Anyhow, I wanted to share this with you because, if we get rejected from here, and let's go take a look at, I've been telling you now, you guys, our swings moving moving down, our swings here, right? Let's go. Let's just take a real quick look at that, and let's just see what our percentage levels are, right? Because we've been talking about this 21, 22, and 23. Okay, let's just go back and let's go take a look at these ones because I think it's important that we all pay attention to what's going on here because this is the whole reason I do a lot of this is because I'm not comfortable with knowing what these experts try to say to us. So these are our levels, guys. 22, 23, 21%. This is our normal reaction. So we must not violate that. And as Mr. Gann has stated in all his books and courses, he states that. He's like, never buy it till it breaks over its old top. Never buy it When it breaks below, if it breaks below this 20, 22%, this 23%, that would signal major weakness. So we have our guide stick. We know what is done in the past. So that's our guide stick. And to anyone out there, I went to write my stockbroker ticket in 2003. I was taking night classes, just like Mr. Gann was, to be a stockbroker. I didn't write my exam. I was told to sign a non-disclosure agreement, and I refused to sign a non-disclosure agreement. I'm all about full disclosure. That's what this whole thing. This is truthful technical analysis. I'm not holding back anything. So I am not able to lie to anyone and sell someone a shitty stock and then short you and then steal your money. I can't do that. So that's why I didn't follow through with getting my stock certificate, even though I had some of the highest marks in the class. Didn't matter. My ethical approach to this is far more superior than my ability to get high marks in a classroom environment. All right, so with that in mind, we are getting primed for a major push up or a major rejection. So pay attention to this, okay? There's a lot of volatility here, and we've been expecting these to come back to our 37 and our low 30s. I mean, I was really expecting that we would be retesting this block right here. So when I line up my top here with this channel here, look straight up. What's there? This guy right here. See him? He's sitting right on there. So this is indicative or indicating we could be in for some higher prices. Should we break above this 49? We have to get above 49 here. We have to. So if that were to happen, what could we expect? Well, 65 is opposite on the other side of this square. So we could in fact spin up from our 49 here, not get rejected, sit on our 53. We could certainly move right up to our 65, hit our 69, and then move all the way back down to our 53. And what would that look like in a percentage level? Okay, well, let's go take a look. What would this look like moving up to that level? Well, let's go measure it. What are we looking for? 63 is our next one. Oh, 63 is 63,000. There it is right there. It's 180 degrees from 49 here. And 63 or 2, whichever you want to call it, is 315 degrees or almost 360 degrees to 37, right? Sitting on this area right here, guys. This whole area. Is it likely that we're going to push up to there? Well, it's possible. Look at our middle bar. Our middle bar is sitting perfectly on our 49. So it is likely we could move up to this area. However, another move would be up to this 56. This would be the 75% level, and our 618 right on our 53. We've got to watch all these. These levels are extremely important here. If we're unable to get up to these, it indicates weakness and a push back to the opposite side, which would be around this 40 level, a retest. So let's watch out for that. Anyways, guys, I thought I'd just give you a little quick update on that one. I'm having a Gann forecasting seminar. It's an in-person workshop. These are really powerful. They're super powerful. You're going to have 8 hours of me just all Gann. So it's going to be in Cancun, March 6th, and it's going to be at the Beachscape in the northern part of Cancun at the Beachscape Kai or the Kin Ha Villas go have a look at some of my other tutorials. I'll leave a description of that event in the description below, so you can look at that and decide for yourself if that warrants some good esoteric knowledge. So we'll be there all day. It's gonna be 8 hours. It's gonna be really long. So I need you guys to be rested. There's a lot of esoteric material. A lot of you have never seen this stuff before, and it's, the concepts can sometimes be a little, different and overwhelming. But we're not going to shy away from that. I'm going to push you right through it. And when you leave there after 8 hours, that's right, you're going to be able to do everything that I'm doing and nail it. Okay, guys, peace and love. Hit me up in the comments. Thank you for all my viewers, subscribers, all the people hitting me up for comments. I'm getting overwhelmed with emails, texts, comments, and whatnot. I'm doing my best to answer every single one of your questions. No, there's not a stupid question. I had every single stupid question and many more. So there are no stupid questions. They're great questions because that's how we learn. Okay, guys, peace and love. Hit me up and safe trading. Make sure if you're late to the party, you watch out.